investing is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. You don't just wake up one day with a lot of money that magically you will see that your bank account is already 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits. It doesn't happen that unless you are the son of Henry C. Sr. But this is something that you will build over time. Choosing to buy assets instead of spending it on things that would not really matter over the long period of time. In this video, we will talk about how to make smart investing decisions with your money this 2024 that will continue to help you grow your portfolio so you can achieve your financial goals. We have 5 tips for you. Number 1, you need to diversify. I know that you have heard a lot from financial publications, but in reality, diversification works. Diversification will not only give you the ability to spread out your cash to different assets or unrelated assets, but it can also protect you when the market is bad. I have been investing for over a decade now, and I have seen how diversification can protect you and give you peace of mind, which is very, very important. Some possible combinations can be fixed income securities, equities, covered call options, and collective investments. Tip number 2, invest locally but also invest globally. There are so many opportunities here of investment in the Philippines, but the question is, why stop there? Part of diversification, just like what I mentioned in tip number 1, is not just being diversified with different assets, but also having assets not just here in the Philippines, but even globally. Something that will be handled by a financial management overseas. This will give you an opportunity to be exposed to investments that would yield higher returns. In this way, you will not just earn only here in the Philippines, but also overseas. And if there is something good happening in the overseas because of investing in these assets that are globally exposed, hindi tayo mapag-iiwanan sa opportunity. There will be no FOMO or fear of missing out. Tip number 3, invest in assets that give you cash flow. If you have been a follower or subscriber or watching the videos here, you know that we are really a fan of assets that give consistent cash flow. If you have heard of this concept for the first time, cash flow actually means that you will be compensated because you are holding on to certain assets. Of course, we've mentioned that these assets can help fund part of the things that we want to do. Maybe that can be travel, but we need to remember that it is directly proportional on how much we have invested or how little we have invested. We need to take note that it's also dependent on the market performance. There are times that the market can go up and go down, and that will be the basis on how much we will get or maybe how little we will get. Remember our video regarding dividend investing and rental incomes? These are some examples of assets that give you cash flow. This is different from capital appreciation, where you have to sell the asset so that you can earn and benefit from it. Cash flow investing is amazing because it gives you the ability to earn literally even doing nothing. You heard that right? Nothing. These are not scams. The scam is what they will say is you will do nothing, but you will just give your money, and after 6 months, your money will be doubled. That's a scam. Too good to be true. Stay away from that. What we are talking here are the assets that are legit and legal. If we are going to think about it, these assets are working hard for you. So while you are literally doing nothing, or you are spending time with your family, or being focused on your business or your work, these assets can earn money for you. To be more specific, there are investment products that provide potential quarterly dividend, providing an opportunity for additional cash flow. The extra income can be utilized for various purposes. This can be used for your vacations, your family trips. Gusto natin yun, di ba? That we can bring our family, our partner to different countries and spend time there. Comment down below, anong country or what country do you want to take your family in a vacation? Comment down below, anong country? Maybe these assets can help you bring your family to the dream destination where you want. The funds that you will get because of these assets, it can also be used for home renovations or even gadget upgrades. So basically, you can earn more while doing nothing or while you are focused on your main thing, as these assets can earn money for you. This also means if you are a lawyer, a doctor, a businessman, and you are crushing it and doing so well with the primary source of your income, assets that give you cash flow won't take time and focus away from your main source of income. Very important as well. Tip number 4. It's good that you earn, but it's better or gooder that you protect what you have earned. Because there are things in life that could really catch you off guard. Maybe something with health or with the business, bankruptcy. We want whatever we have earned, it will be protected. What we don't want is we have worked hard for with blood, sweat, and tears. It will just go down the drain instantly. That's why we need protection. There are investment-linked products that offer compelling insurance coverage that will protect you and your long-term savings. You want what you have worked hard for, benefit you and the people you care for, even if you could no longer be able to do so yourself. This is where life insurance is important because it serves as a risk management tool to protect you, your assets, and most importantly, your dreams. Tip number 5, execute and find those assets. All these years, I am a firm believer of execution and action are greater than the knowledge that you have consumed or acquired. In the same way, watching this video would not mean anything if you will not really invest and follow through with it. So far, I've talked about diversification, investing globally, and getting cash flow. At the same time, protecting yourself and your asset. One investment product that you could check out that has facets that I had mentioned, AIA Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund Peso. It's an investment product that can give you the opportunity for quarterly extra dividends and a product designed for customers and for long-term capital growth. With AIA Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund Peso, it is diversified with a possible combination of fixed income securities, equities, covered call options, and collective investments. You have financial experts, AIA Investment Management Singapore, who are carefully selecting which assets to select globally. They have years of experience handling over $244 billion. That's a B, billion dollar across different asset class, giving you potential exposure to investment funds with potential higher yields. You can do the investment with a one-time payment of 125,000 pesos through Peso Money 3 Income Paying. It offers up to 125% of life insurance coverage that will protect you and secure your long-term investments.
For those who don't know, AIA Philippines, previously known as Film Life, has been in the country for over 75 years, a testament to the company's well-established strength and credibility as a financial institution through solutions like the AIA Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund Peso. AIA Philippines is able to bring to life its purpose of helping more Filipinos live healthier, longer, and better lives.
I'll put the link down below in the description so that you can get a firm understanding of this asset and have the conviction if it fits you or not. At the end of the day, the more research you will do, the more conviction that you will have. Because there's really no one-size-fits-all investment. But there is an investment that best suits you and your goals. So check out the link below for more details. As I mentioned earlier in this video, investing is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. Choose to start building your assets today so you can make your money work even harder for you, so that you can secure the life that you want and live the life that you want. I hope you learned something in this video. Comment below whatever takeaways that you have, or if you have questions, we will answer that hopefully in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you guys.